I wanted to go for like kind of hippie, chill, Afrocentric, Virgo, earthy, that kind of feel, because I'm a earth sign, so I'm always outside. I'm always being close to nature, and I wanted to bring the outdoors indoors. So that's the theme I was going for. So I know it's been a while since I have uploaded a video, but my bad. I was preparing for that video because I wanted my next video to be a room tour, and I just finished redecorating, getting rid of some stuff, getting some stuff, stuff like that. So now that my room is to my expectations, I can show you guys what I have created. Enjoy. Now, this green object you see right here, this monster looking thing, my sister actually grabbed this for me on her trip in Mexico, and it's actually from the Mayan culture, something like that. If I pronounced it incorrectly, please correct me in the comments below. I really don't know, but it's actually a smoking tool. It works good. It just burns your lips, so I don't really smoke it like that. It hurts a little bit, but it's a really beautiful asset to my room. It actually supposed to look like this, a smoking bowl like this. But yeah, they just made it a different way. But yeah, I really love it in my room. It's unique, and I'm glad that she got it for me. She knows the kind of things that I like. Now down to the bottom shelf, we have a sculpture that I have actually made myself in art school, and I wanted to go for a coral reef kind of theme. So I don't even know, I don't remember how I made this texture, but I just grabbed something, was like, yeah, that looks nice. Let me just do this again and again and again to get this rough looking coral texture. Yeah, but I made it when I was back in high school. Oh, and I also made this. This was a long vase that stood up really high, but he decided to mess it up and break it, but I still managed to make it look like something. If you mess up art, it still is art, because art is everything in my opinion. But these two pieces right here, I did not make. Those other students made those. They was gonna throw them away, so I just grabbed them. I was like, don't throw them away. Those are dope. I can use those. Give them to me. So yeah, that's where I got those from. I got this from a lake, the shell from the beach, and that seed from a local pond. What else? Someone made that. Either one of my friends, or I don't know. I really forgot. It's nice though, but I forgot who made it. Honestly, this piece is very valuable to me in particular because I used to raise. This is a Dreamcatcher, by the way, if you didn't know. But I used to raise parakeets, and some of my parakeets, I took the feathers off and put them on the Dreamcatcher when they passed away. Like, after I buried them, it was like a little memory thing, whatever you want to call it, memorial. But one parakeet in particular, I know it's one of the blue feathers. Don't know which one, but it's one of the blue feathers. Her name was Jennifer. Yeah, shut up. I give my pet names, human names, whatever. But Jennifer killed all of her babies and her husband, and she just went crazy. Like, she just went ham. I was so shocked and disgusted. I let Jennifer go because I don't know what sis had going on, but she needed therapy or anything. But I couldn't give that to her, so I let her fly away. And I'm really mad because one of the babies that she killed, I've trained to fly back and forth, like on my head or whatever, and he would like sleep on my shoulder. And he was a really like well trained parakeet, and that just really burnt my biscuit. Like, wow, Jennifer, you really just tried me. But yeah, that's just why I got it hanging up. I had it for years, and I don't ever plan on getting rid of it. This large steak you see across my window, I've got this from my older sister's backyard, and I'm like, yo, this is dope. Like, I'm gonna hang this on my wall. And she's like, that's not gonna hang on the wall. It's not gonna get. I'm like, yeah, okay, watch is gonna be dope. Watch is gonna look nice. But I wanted to feel like the outside was growing in the inside, that kind of feel. And the moss that you see growing on it, I've actually got from a local nature park. It's growing real fast, by the way. On piece of whatever you want to call it, rope, metal, whatever. It's colorful, it's pretty. So I grabbed it, I think out of Marsh or Ross or whatever. It matched my mirror, actually. That's why I wanted to get it with the gold. And it actually matched my curtains and the rug. So I'm like, yo, let me pick this up real quick while it's on sale. I should have covered this first, but coming back to my orange shelf, this bamboo stock you see here, I got from Daytona Beach, Florida. And I'm like, this is really cute, and I know they're well, they're not low maintenance actually. You have to buy them bottled water. They're bougie as fuck, but it actually came in this green pot right here, and it was really small, like a little sprout, and now it just went crazy. Like the roots are just like flourishing in the gravel. They're just everywhere. They're enjoying a little bit of sunlight I'm giving them and everything. They're comfortable. And they wasn't really that tall. When I first got them, they were like right there. Now they're just growing crazy. But I love it. They're beautiful. So another piece that I created when I was back in high school in my art class, and this is called a Mishima, I believe. I forgot what culture it comes from, but I know it's called a Mishima. Let me just take it out because I can't look at it like this. But originally, it didn't have this hole on top of it, but it broke, and my art teacher fixed it, so it just came out like that. But it actually came out better. But like I said, mistakes in art looks even better because there's no mistakes in art. Everything is art. But I love it, and I'm never gonna get rid of it. It's a really nice piece in my room. Now my dresser is a little cluttered in my opinion, but I need everything that I need right in front of me when I'm getting ready, so I don't gotta keep bending down in the dresser to go get it or whatever. So I just put it all on my dresser. But I have my African black soap from Ghana for my face, and then I have my spray bottle for my hair, my oils, facial cleans, toothbrush, all the other stuff over there is just cluttered. Just the basic things. Then I threw in a African piece on top of my dresser. This plant that's sitting next to my dresser actually been growing for years now, but I made a mistake and broke both stems, but one grew back and the other one's gonna grow back eventually. I need to stop being so clumsy with this plant, but I'm not gonna get rid of it. So it's cute right there. So I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to go for more of a New York feel in this corner over here. I have never been to New York, but I plan on going there in the future. But that's the kind of feel I wanted to give, when you first walk in and you throw your handbag or jacket on something. Well, I just throw my little bag or whatever, headphones, earphones on a needle, and then continue walking through my room. Make me feel like, I got me a little apartment in my room. On the same wall further down to the left, I have this hanging on my wall. I know it's koi, but I don't know exactly what, which, where it comes from. I don't know if it's come from China, Japan, Asia, Korea. Just comment below because I really don't know. I had it for so long, but it's so pretty, so I'm gonna keep it. But I really want to know more about it because I really don't know more. I don't really don't know that much about it. But if you do, just comment below and let me know because Google didn't help me. But I do have this up here. Pictures of me, of course. One of my pictures fell the other day, and I'm not gonna go up there and fix it. That's too much work. So y'all gonna do with this forehead, okay?